Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the control panel on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button to open the widgets. And here on the list of widgets you should see the control panel. Tap on it to select it, and once you open the control panel, scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and once you find it, as you can see, it is right now off. It says off under it, but you can turn it on by tapping on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It was changed to on and the switch will be flicked on basically, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you will see this icon of the speaker with the X next to it, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, press the lower button to open the widgets, tap on control panel, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it, the status will change to off, the switch will flick off, and the icon will disappear from the control panel and also from the watch face, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.